Hello, we are on Principle 8. My name is Dr. Patty Ford, and we're going through a series of all of the principles of intuitive eating. So thank you for being here on my Imagine Wellness YouTube. Subscribe, go ahead and hit that button if this is of value to you, and follow along. There's lots of different videos on my channel, and I'm here to untangle your relationship with food, body weight, and eating to get to your health goals. Principle 8 is respect your body. And what does that mean? Sometimes we live in a culture where disrespecting your body is really common. Talking about the things that you don't like so much more often than the things that you do. And so think about, what am I holding in my body that's negative? What are my stories that I hold about my body? Maybe that's all that you've ever known. Your identity has been your body, and it's been negative. Because that's what you've been told, that's what you've accepted, and that's just what you've lived. If you live in a society where they demonize or shame larger bodies, and if you can handle the word fat, they demonize showing up as fat, that can be a really, really hard experience, because now you're being shamed for how you're showing up, and you just can't change it. You can't flip a switch and change how your body shows up, or you spend a lifetime trying to change the shape of your body, and biologically it's not meant to change. That is really hard. We are all wired very differently. Your body has a genetic blueprint that might show up differently than Slim Shady, than someone else that has a genetic blueprint that isn't going to show up the way that you do. And it's so hard to respect your body if society has shamed it your entire life. It's so hard to respect something that you've been told isn't okay. So Principle 8 of intuitive eating is learning, how do I respect something? Which typically, if you're interested in intuitive eating, you haven't had that experience of respect. Respect doesn't mean love. It doesn't mean you have to fall in love with it right away, but choosing to respect something is key in learning how to navigate your hunger and fullness and intuition with food. If this is of interest to you, there's so many different exercises and things that we could do to navigate respecting your body. I do that well in my practice. I have a weekly interaction where you can actually receive a affirmation and an action step and something to do called Imagine Body, where you're really looking at how you talk about your body, what you think about your body, and navigating it in a really respectful, assertive, but kind way. Again, I'm Dr. Patty Ford. If anything is value to you, hit that subscribe button and follow along and choose to interact with me in my practice. I am taking on coaching clients, and I would love to be a signpost in your journey to help you find health. Thank you.